on a journey of words and emotions. As I, Deepak Kumar, step in the realm of Maya Angelo's Million Man March. Picture these verses as stepping stones, each leading us deeper into our message. In the canvas of this poem, you will find strokes of intellect and splashes of emotion. It's not just a poem, it's a call to action, a beacon of change, a mirror reflecting our collective aspirations. Together, let's embark on this captivating literary voyage where intellect and emotions intertwine, and where the echoes of history meet the whispers of memory. The night has been long, the wound has been deep, the pit has been dark, and the walls have been steep. Under that blue sky, on a distant beach, I was dragged by my breath, just beyond your reach. Your hands were tied, your mouth was bound. You couldn't even call out my name. You were helpless, and so was I. But unfortunately, throughout history, you have worn a badge of shame. I say, the night has been long, the wound has been deep, the pit has been dark, and the walls have been steep. But today, voices of our spirits sound, speak to us in words profound. Across the years, across the centuries, across the oceans, and across the seas. They say, draw near to one another. Save your race. You have been paid for in a distant place. The old ones remind us that slavery's chains have paid for our freedom again and again. The night has been long, the pit has been deep, the night has been dark, and the walls have been steep. The hells we have lived through and lived through still have sharpened our senses and toughened our will. The night has been long. This morning I looked through your anguish, right down to your soul. I know that with each other we can make ourselves whole. I look through the posture and past your disguise and see your love for the family in your big brown eyes. I say clap hands and let's come together in this meeting ground. I say clap hands and let's deal with each other with love. I say clap hands and let's get from the low road of indifference. Clap hands. Let's come together and reveal our heart. Let's come together and revise our spirit. Let's come together and cleanse our soul. Clap hands. Let's leave the printing and stop imposing our own history. Clap hands. Call the spirits back from the latch. Clap hands. Let's invite joy into our conversation, courtesy into our bedrooms, gentleness into our kitchen, care into our nursery. The ancestors remind us, despite the history of pain, we are going on people who will rise again, and still we rise, and still we rise. Thanks.